Can you roll back Linux software updates using atomic packages? Imagine updating your Linux system and then realizing something went wrong. Wouldn't it be great to just go back to how things were before? Well, with systems that use atomic updates, you can do exactly that. Some Linux distributions like Fedora Silverblue, Red Hat Enterprise Linux Atomic Host, and SUSE Micro are built to support this kind of rollback. These systems use a special method called atomic updates, which means updates are applied as a single, complete transaction. This makes it possible to undo an update if needed. Atomic updates relying on a technology called OS tree. Think of OS tree as a way to manage system images as snapshots. When you update your system, a new snapshot is created without changing the current one. If you decide to revert, you can switch back to a previous snapshot. This can be done temporarily at boot time or permanently with commands like rpm-ostree rollback on Fedora Silverblue or atomic host rollback on Red Hat Atomic Host. Most of these systems keep only a few previous snapshots, often just one. So, you can usually roll back to the most recent version before the update. When you do a rollback, it restores the entire system image, including the operating system and all bundled software, not just individual packages. This means everything goes back to how it was before the update. For example, if you are using Fedora Silverblue, you can reboot your computer and select the previous version from the boot menu. Or, you can run the command rpm-ostree rollback and then restart your system to switch permanently. Red Hat Atomic Host users can run atomic host rollback and then reboot to return to the previous state. SUSE Micro offers a command called transactional update. It creates snapshots of your system before applying updates, making it easy to boot into an earlier snapshot if needed. This approach is different from traditional package managers like DAND or Yum, which update individual packages and do not support rolling back the entire system easily. With atomic systems, you get a safer way to update your system. If something goes wrong, you can quickly revert to a stable state without complex manual steps. So, in the context of installing software via the terminal, atomic packages and updates give you a reliable safety net. You can perform updates with confidence, knowing you can undo them if necessary. This is especially useful for systems that need to stay stable, like servers or desktop environments that are used for work or important tasks. In short, yes, you can roll back Linux software updates using atomic packages. It is built into the system's design, making it a straightforward and dependable way to keep your system safe and stable. If an update causes issues, you simply switch back to a previous snapshot, restoring everything to how it was before.